सो हेलो माय स्टूडेंट्स, आई एम तरस खुराना फ्रॉम खुराना कोचिंग क्लासेस। सो स्टूडेंट्स, आज मैं आपके लिए पार्ट 3 लेके आई हूँ। जैसा कि मैंने आपको बोला था कि हम ज्योग्राफी की सीरीज़ कर रहे थे, जिसमें मैंने आपको इजी लेवल और मॉडरेट लेवल ऑलरेडी करवा दिया था। अब हम इसका डिफ़िकल्ट लेवल देखते हैं। ओके, हम अपने 50 क्वेश्चन स्टार्ट करते हैं। सो सबसे पहले अगर हम बात करें बच्चों, विच रिवर क्रॉसेज द ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर ट्वाइस इन इंडिया? सो दैट इज माही रिवर। ऑल राइट. Which is the largest inland drainage area in India? That is Ganga, Brahmaputra, Meghna basin. All right. After that, which Indian state has no river flowing to the sea? Which Indian state has no river flowing to the sea? That is Rajasthan. Which city is known as a gateway of Northeast India? Gateway of Northeast India, that is Guwahati. After that, which glacier is source of the Ganga? That is a Gangotri glacier. All right. Okay. After that, in which Indian state is a Nokrek Biosphere Reserve located? Okay, that is in Meghalaya. Which plateau is known as a storehouse of minerals? ये मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया था, छोटा नागपुर प्लेट्यू. Which dam is built on the Satluj river? This is very important, Bhakra Nangal Dam. Which pass connects Srinagar with the Leh? That is a Zojila Pass. Which soil type covers the largest area in India? This is also very important, that is alluvial soil. After that, the longest glacier in the Himalayas excluding Karakoram, that is a Gangotri glacier. Which hill station is known as the queen of Satpura? जो बच्चे जो स्पेशली मैंने मेंशन करे हैं ना, लाइक ऐसे इन्वर्टेड कॉमर्स के अंदर, दीज आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन जो आपको पता होना चाहिए. ओके, सो विच हिल स्टेशन इज नोन एज अ क्वीन ऑफ सतपुरा? दैट इज अ पचमरी. द सियाचिन ग्लेशियर लाइज इन विच माउंटेन रेंज? दैट इज Karakoram mountain range. Okay. After that, 14th, the only floating national park in the world is located in. This is also very important. It is located in the Manipur. Which state is called the land of five rivers? You all know very well, that is Punjab. After that, which Indian city is located on the banks of Musi river? That is बच्चों Hyderabad. The Silent Valley National Park is in which state? In Kerala. Which state is the largest producer of mica in India? बच्चों, this is also very important. जो largest producer पूछते हैं ना, हम wheat की पूछेंगे, टी की पूछेंगे. टी की मैंने आपको बताई थी असम, ठीक है. कॉफ़ी की कर्नाटका, एंड माइका की कौन सी बच्चों? आंध्र प्रदेश. ओके. विच इज़ द स्मॉलेस्ट नेशनल पार्क इन द इंडिया? साउथ बटन आइलैंड नेशनल पार्क. ओके. विच इंडियन स्टेट हैज़ अ लार्जेस्ट फॉरेस्ट एरिया? दिस इज ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, मध्य प्रदेश. आफ्टर दैट, विच स्टेट हैज़ अ लार्जेस्ट नंबर ऑफ नेशनल पार्क्स? दिस इज ऑल्सो मध्य प्रदेश. ओके, फॉरेस्ट एरिया भी मध्य प्रदेश है और लार्जेस्ट नंबर ऑफ नेशनल पार्क्स भी मध्य प्रदेश में है. Now, the only river in India that flows west and forms an estuary is Narmada River. Which is the only active volcano? Which is the only active volcano in India? That is a barren island. The highest dam in India is, highest dam क्या है बच्चों? That is a Tehri Dam, which is located in Uttarakhand. Which is the southernmost range of the Himalayas, Shivalik range. All right. After that, which river is known as the Soro of Assam? This is very important, Brahmaputra River. The Gulf of Kutch lies between which two regions? That is Kutch and Kathiawar Peninsula. After that, 28. Which plateau is also known as the roof of the world? Tibetan Plateau. After that, which desert in Asia is the largest cold desert? Okay, so this is very important bachcho, that is Gobi Desert. The world's largest river island is Majuli, which is located in Assam. After that, which ocean current causes desert formation along western Africa? That is a Canary current in the north and Benguela current in the south. Which region is called the granary of the world? ठीक है, prairies, North America. Which sea is called the arm of Atlantic Ocean? बहुत सारी आर्म्स है वैसे, तो मैंने मेंशन करी है Mediterranean Sea. Which plateau lies between the Aravallis and Vindhyas? That is Malwa Plateau. Which is the largest natural port of India? That is Mumbai Port. 36th, the tropic of cancer does not pass through which state? आपको ऑप्शंस दी गई हैं मध्य प्रदेश, राजस्थान, छत्तीसगढ़ एंड उड़ीसा. तो आपको पता होना चाहिए मध्य प्रदेश से भी पास करती है, राजस्थान से भी, छत्तीसगढ़ से. उड़ीसा से नहीं पास करता है ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर. विच इंडियन रिवर इज नोन फॉर इट्स शिफ्टिंग कोर्स? दैट इज कोसी रिवर बच्चों. विच लेक इन इंडिया हैज बोथ फ्रेश एंड सोल्ट वाटर जोन? दैट इज अ वेम्बनंद लेक इन केरला एंड चिलिका लेक इन ओडिशा. ऑल राइट. विच पास कनेक्ट्स इंडिया विद चाइना एंड सिक्किम? दैट इज अ नथुला पास. Which mountain range forms the border between Europe and Asia? That is Ural Mountains. After that, The equator passes through which three continents? Africa, Asia and South America. You all know very well. After that 42nd, which ocean has the highest average salinity बच्चों? That is Atlantic Ocean. Which winds blow from the subtropical high pressure belt towards the equator? That are trade winds. Which is the world's largest island? Not continent. I'm not asking about the continent. I'm asking about the world's largest island, not continent. That is Greenland. Okay. Which country has the largest number of active volcanoes? Indonesia. After that, the Great Dividing Range is found in which country? That is in Australia. Which strait separates Asia from North America? That is the Bering Strait. Which lake lies between Israel and Jordan? Dead Sea. Which two countries are separated by Durand Line? That is Pakistan and Afghanistan. After that, the last question. Which continent has no desert बच्चों? That is Europe. सो यहाँ पर आपके 50 क्वेश्चंस कंप्लीट होते हैं. सो आई होप कि आपको तीनों पार्ट्स अच्छे से क्लियर हो गए होंगे. इफ़ यू वांट एनी वीडियो ऑन ज्योग्राफी, हिस्ट्री, सिविक्स और ऑन करंट अफेयर्स और ऑन साइंस टॉपिक, देन you have to just comment me. So I hope that you all like this video, and if you like it, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel, Khurana Coaching Classes.